Peace, peace. So Deuteronomy 28:43 through 68 is a section of the Bible that contains a series of curses pronounced upon the Israelites should they fail to obey God's commandments, right? So let's break this down to its esoteric and metaphysical interpretation, because we know that the Bible has to be decoded and not looked at as literal. So in a broader, non-literal sense, these verses could be understood as communicating a spiritual law of cause and effect. And that's much like the concept of karma in Eastern religions. So this principle could be interpreted as saying that negative actions and behaviors or failure to live according to divine principles inevitably leads to negative consequences, not as a form of divine punishment, but rather a natural outcome. Okay, so in a metaphysical context, the references to exile and alienation can symbolize a spiritual estrangement or separation from the divine source, right? Or God, as you want to say. So the hardships described could be viewed as the internal strife and chaos that occurs when one is disconnected from their higher self or spiritual essence. Okay, so the persistent theme of obedience could suggest the need for self-discipline and adherence to spiritual or ethical principles as a means to maintain harmony and alignment with the divine or universal order. So this, however, must not be confused with blind obedience, but seen as a conscious choice based on understanding, overstanding, and wisdom. Okay, so this is just one potential interpretation, because all things come back to self and not worshiping anything outside of ourselves. Okay, we are here to master us and grow in all aspects of our spirituality. So Earth is a learning planet. Our soul has a purpose to, accomplish here. So you have to keep that in mind and just master yourself. I keep telling y'all this. All right. Peace.